I'm Carmen with EXP Realty Northwest Arkansas Branch. And we need to talk about the maintenance costs that catch homeowners completely off guard. Home maintenance costs thousands annually, and that number just keeps climbing year over year. The old rule was to save about 1% of your home's value annually for repairs. So on a $350,000 home, that's $3,500. But the reality is many homeowners need more than that. Major repairs aren't cheap, where roofs can cost $8,000 to $15,000, HVAC can cost $5,000 to $12,000, and water heaters $1,200 to $2,500. Foundation repairs anywhere from $4,000 to $15,000. And here's the part that raises concerns: is many homeowners don't have those dedicated savings for these inevitable expenses, forcing them to use credit cards or loans when systems fail. And as a side note, I do have contacts for these kind of loans, so if you have this need, go ahead and reach out to me for a good contact. But imagine your furnace dies during the winter, or your AC fails during a heat wave. Without reserve, that emergency expense can derail your entire budget. So here's my advice. Treat your home inspection like a budget roadmap, not just a negotiation tool. That 15-year-old water heater that you might have, plan for replacement costs within the next few years. And create a dedicated repair fund separate from your emergency savings. Automatic monthly transfers turn disasters into manageable expenses. The homeowners who thrive aren't those who bought the house they could afford. They're the ones who bought with margin and reserves. Are you ready to buy smart instead of buying maximum? If so, then let's talk about building a sustainable budget.